Hi, this is Steve with Indian Creek Sports, and I am showing you today the 2025 SeaArk Fat Cat. This boat is 20 foot long, 9 foot across, with a 6 foot diamond tread. It comes with the tandem axle trailer that supports the 28-inch sides, complete walk-through windshield with your wipers. It's set up with the timber package lighting, electrical run all the way to the front. All you have to do is plug in your electric trolling motor. This one has 2 seats with plenty of room for 4 more. It has a 38-gallon gas tank and an 80-gallon live well. This is powered by a Mercury jet pump that has 105 horsepower to the pump. The power head is 150 horsepower. We have the pods on it for a little bit better flotation, so it makes it ride like a 22-foot boat. Come down and see us at Indian Creek Sports. See this boat for $58,999 with the boat, trailer, and the motor. I also have the e-bikes available and the electric carts that are totally street legal. So come down and see us at Indian Creek Sports. Ask for Joe, Steve, or Chris. Thank you.